Hi, I'm Paul from Velo Works and welcome to Coffee in a Brompton. Today we're going to be discussing Brompton lights and we've got some very exciting news. Come join me. So our very exciting news and the time of year coming into autumn 2025 has got me thinking about lights and that I might need to start using them because the nights are drawing in and also because of our exciting news. So let's have a chat about options for lights on Bromptons, what's the safest, and what news do I have where I need to use the lights on my Bromptons. So as most of you know, I have two Bromptons, old school Brompton P6R, P handlebars, 6 gears, R for the rack, which has an integrated dynamo system, and I have a G Line with no integrated dynamo system at all. So if we're taking this bike, for example, it's really good because all I have to do is lean forward, I push a button there, and I've got lights. So the front hub powers lights. The front light is really good at showing where you're going, and the rear light is a stand light. What the light does at the back is it stays on. So if you go to a traffic light, you stop, front light will go off because you're not pedaling, but the back stays on. I think it's stand light. Someone can correct me on that if I'm wrong. And it's really good. I always know I have lights, but my issue is with the Bromptons is that the light systems that you have that are lower down, because you can buy just front lights with good batteries, is that it's too low to be seen. And this bike is going to be pushing 10 years old, so I guess Dynamo's batteries maybe in lights for about 10 years ago weren't as good as they are now. So I know Brompton do some really good lights, but they are lower down. I always back my system up with a light on the seat post at the rear, a real blinding one so people know I'm there. So that kind of mimics a position of a regular bike, and I always have just a little spotted LED, flashing LED on the front. Both USB chargeable, super simple, not super expensive, but it just gives me that confidence that people can see me at more of an eye line if they're in a car. So I love my setup, especially my Dynamo setup on my P6R. I feel as though I could never remove it from the bike because I just like that instant knowing that I can see where I'm going. And as I mentioned, the front light, it's a really basic Dynamo setup, but it's really good at lighting the road up, and it's at such a good angle. So it got me thinking, is this the best setup, and what do other people use to light their way on a Brompton? People have head torches or a light on their helmet, because that's always good, especially for night riding, because you can actually see where you're going off-road, or if you're in dark country lanes and you need to actually turn and see where the light goes rather than having to turn the bike. So I wanted to ask, what is people's best setup? Because I've not been commuting for probably well over 7 years, and I'm about to start doing it, which leads on to our exciting news I'll tell you in a second. So yeah, really happy with this setup. And also this week someone asked me to build them a Dynamo G Line wheel, which was really nice to do. So what I did is I took a G Line rim, so from Brompton, I bought it from Brilliant Bikes, and I paired it with a Sun 28 hub. We can also do shutter precision hubs, which is a little bit cheaper. So there should be a link somewhere, and you should be seeing some photos of that. But that's a great option if you want to start building a Dynamo setup for your G Line, whether that's for a charging device or if you actually want a lighting system. So that was boxed up and sent yesterday for the customer. So a great idea. And if you want to talk about G Line Dynamo wheels, give us a shout. So what's our exciting news? Sorry to keep you in suspense throughout the whole video, but we are opening a workshop in Bristol, and we're very excited about it. We're going to be able to offer everything that we do at the moment. All of our online shop still run as normal, but we'll be able to have a customer facing Brompton workshop, hand-built workshop, custom build workshop, and general servicing. So we're very excited about it. We've also wanted to have a space where we can do videos, kind of more maintenance, showing what you can do to Bromptons, not how-tos. We don't really want to do how-to videos, but showing different elements of Bromptons, the custom builds we do, because we do a lot of them, so highlighting those and showcasing those. So we're very excited. It's a small shipping container that's been purpose made for a workshop in a community of loads of other independent shops and businesses. So we're very excited, and that is coming online in the next couple of weeks. We've been doing a lot of work around getting it ready. Also, it'd be really nice because at the moment we work from home, getting back and commuting, especially on the P6R, because it's really a really good commuter. We've got the option to walk there, cycle there, cool, but also if we're carrying loads of stock, we can get the train, and that's where obviously the P6R comes into it. So that's why with the change of the season and also commuting, I'm going to need to think about lights, keeping them charged up, and what is the best setup. I don't have a setup really at the moment on my G Line because I bought it in the spring, so I really want to know how people are using their Bromptons with lights in the winter. It'd be really good if you could share that, because I certainly am not an expert. I just do what I've done for many years. So yeah, we're really excited. There'll be loads of videos to come about the workshop. Also, if you're in the Bristol area and you want to have your Bromptons serviced during October and November 2025, we're giving away free restrap carry handles for your Brompton if you come and book in a service and bring it to our new workshop. So yeah, super excited, and we'll take you on the journey of opening up the workshop with us. So yeah, thanks for joining us for Coffee and a Brompton. Please share your thoughts. It'd be great to know what you think about Brompton lights. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.